welcome to Belicia Queen's Guard.
What? That's not the real Belicia. Stop trying to be the real Belicia. Hey guys, welcome to the
Belicia Queen's Squad.
Press the notification bell and the like button.
And get this video to as many likes.
Subscribers.
So we doing today a special dessert I found that would be fun to do with kids. This is the apple caramel cream cheese ring. And you're gonna take the crescent rolls, 2 cans, lay it around pull it apart, lay it around in a circle. You're gonna take apple pie filling in a can, or you could use fresh apples, but to make it quick and easy, get apple pie filling.
Can I please explain?
And get the cream cheese. I beat my cream cheese in the mixer. 1 second, Pumpkin. Okay. I beat it in the mixer with the vanilla extract and sugar. And what we did, we already did it. It looks like
we
this.
did half of it, and I'm going to explain what we did.
Go ahead.
So we need to use 2 cans of this. We put it out in a ring, and we took some of this, and we took some of this, and we scooped it out and spread it everywhere on the ring. And then, for example, with the mixer, we did 2 cans of sugar, and then we put some cream cheese, and we spread the apples, and then we took some cream cheese and spread it on there just like this.
Now we're going to take the caramel
and spread.
And we have this caramel, and you're going to drizzle it. I got it, Pumpkin. You're going to, it's kind of hard. Wait, let me do this side, you do your side. Now you go ahead.
Can you do it, please? I can't.
Wait, something was on my apron. Okay.
Oh, I can't do it. It looks so delicious. I just want to dig in. And we don't know how this is going to taste. We don't know what it's going to taste.
And then you're going to fold the crescent roll. I don't know why she keeps saying that. It's going to taste good.
We don't know, but this.
So you're going to fold the crescent roll over the apples and the filling.
You're supposed to take a piece and flip it over.
Be gentle.
Flip.
Because it's already kind of messed
up.
up.
Oh my gosh, messed up. Do that
come
messed
on.
up one. And it's supposed to look like a king cake. Looks like a king cake. And this looks really good, so I think this is going to be delicious.
So.
And now we place it in the oven.
I forgot to look at the recipe to see the minutes, but I have my oven set to 350 degrees, and I think we're going to just bake it for a couple of minutes. We're going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to set my timer. And let me see something right quick.